Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound. Following that, scroll down and click on Vibrate for calls. Then click on one of those options to apply the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate or always vibrate. After you decided, go back, scroll down, and click on this switcher next to Shortcut to prevent ringing, to disable or enable it. You can also click on it and set up Vibrate if they're not already on. Click on Advanced, scroll all the way down, and last but not least, click on those switchers next to Charging Sound and Vibration and Touch Vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!